Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking permissions and intent. Make sure this is lawful and respectful. Next, install an audio editor like Audacity and choose a TTS engine that supports SSML or granular synthesis. Once done, gather short phoneme or syllable samples to use as building blocks for expressive sounds. Make sure to keep examples non-sexual and experimental. This focus prevents misuse and lets you learn how voice components combine without crossing ethical lines. Now you shape the sound. Program SSML tags or use phoneme-level editing to adjust pitch, speed, and stress. Once done, layer short vowel or consonant samples and apply pitch envelopes to simulate rises and falls. Trim artifacts and smooth transitions to avoid robotic jumps. Make sure to add subtle formant shifting, light reverb, and gentle compression to increase naturalness. These steps teach how timbre and dynamics create expressiveness while keeping outputs appropriate and technical. Finish by exporting a high bitrate WAV and testing it on phones and speakers to spot clicks or unnatural jumps. If you hear artifacts, go back and tweak timing, apply gentle crossfades, and re-render with alternate SSML settings or smaller pitch steps. Make sure to compare results across different TTS engines. Sometimes a different backend yields better expressiveness. If problems continue, consult community forums or documentation for engine-specific tips and ethical guidance to keep your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.